we are going to read the story The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse by William Saroyan. Now, before starting the story, we must go through the brief biography of the writer, that is William Saroyan. Saroyan was born in 1908 and died in 1981. He was an American Armenian writer and famous for drama, novels and short stories. He won many prizes. Some of them are Pulitzer Prize in 1940 and Academy Award in 1943. Now student, in this story there is a boy. The name of the boy is Aram. A-R-A-M, Aram. Aram belongs to an Armenian tribe, Garoglanian, G-A-R-O-G-H-L-A-N-I-A-N, G-A-R-O-G-H-L-A-N-I-A-N. Now this tribe is famous for its trust and honesty. Now dear students, one morning when Aram is asleep in his room, he hears someone knocking at the window of his room. He jumps out of his bed and finds Murad. Murad is his cousin, M-O-U-R-A-D, M-O-U-R-A-D, Murad. Murad is his cousin. He is 13 years old. Aram is 9 years old. He finds that Murad is having a very beautiful white horse with him. As we know, Garoglanian is a very poor tribe, so Aram feels that Murad must have stolen the horse from somewhere. Murad is a crazy boy, just like their uncle Khosrov, K-H-O-S-R-O-V-E, K-H-O-S-R-O-V-E, Khosrov. Khosrov is their uncle. Khosrov is very aggressive kind of person, always takes fight. Same is the case with Murad also. And Aram is very quiet boy, sincere boy, just like his father Zorab, Z-O-R-A-B, Z-O-R-A-B. Zorab, father of Aram, is very sensible, sincere kind of person. Murad asks Aram to come and enjoy riding the horse. Aram doesn't know how to ride the horse. He tries to ride, but he is dropped by the horse. Now both the boys decide to hide the horse in a barn of a vineyard of a farmer of their village. Once one day, John Byro, J-O-H-N-B-Y-R-O, J-O-H-N, John, B-Y-R-O, John Byro is a family friend of Aram's family. He comes to meet Aram's mother. He tells her that his horse is missing. The horse is of white color. Now Aram, who is listening to the conversation, concludes that the horse which they ride, Murad and Aram, is the same horse which John Byro is talking about. He goes to Murad and tells all the matter. Murad asks Aram not to worry and enjoy riding the horse. 2 weeks later, when both the boys are riding the horse, they meet John Byro on the way. John Byro is surprised at the resemblance of the horse the boys are riding with his own horse. But as we know that Garoglanian tribe is famous for honesty, he refuses to believe that the boys have stolen the horse of his. Now, the boys decide that they must return the horse to the real owner. because this is not a good thing to steal someone's horse. So they leave the horse at the barn of the vineyard, the same deserted vineyard. On the same day, in the afternoon, John Biro comes to meet Aram's mother again and announces that the lost horse has come back, and now the horse is much stronger and well behaved. This story teaches us that we should respect the family values and the social values, and we should not do anything which brings ill name to the society which we belong to. Now we know that Murad had stolen the horse, but when he realized his mistake, he decided to return the horse to the real owner, because he knew that he had done wrong with the name of Garogulinian tribe. As we know, Garogulinian tribe is famous for trust and honesty. So, students, this story teaches us that respect family and social values. Thank you.